Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Discord black screen share. To start, we open Discord. There, click on Share Your Screen. Here you can see the apps and screens available for sharing. You can close this window. After that, click on User Settings and then you will go to the Voice and Video section. In this section, go to the Screen Share field and there you will activate the switch. Use our advanced technology to capture your screen. After this, click on Share Your Screen again. Select the application and you can make the desired settings. Click Go Live to verify that the black screen error is not generated. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.